With COVID cases on the rise once more in Arkansas, Governor Asa Hutchinson kicked off his COVID-19 community conversation tour this evening in Cabot.
The series of talks will take place all over the state. Our Katrin Asaf attending tonight's meeting and joins us with what happened there. Hi, Katrin.
Hi, Donna. Hi, Kevin. In terms of just the number of people who attended today's event, the first in these series of meetings, it could absolutely be considered a success. Governor Hutchinson was able to hear the concerns from healthcare workers, educators, and the general public surrounding COVID, as well as answer any questions on the COVID-19 vaccine. The goal is to get more shots in arms, and this was just stop number one.
Please be seated.
As Arkansas's new COVID cases hit 1,000 for the second day in a row, Governor Asa Hutchinson is hitting the road, answering questions and injecting the natural state with vaccine awareness.
So there's not a whole lot the state can do. It's all about what the community can do.
Cabot is the first stop of his COVID Community Conversations Tour, an opportunity for folks to have their voices heard and learn more about the COVID-19 vaccine. Questions asked included what to do about misinformation.
I spend a large part of my day dispelling myths, bad information, propaganda.
A topic that was brought up again when attendees pointed out that internet access in rural towns can be hard to come by.
What are your suggestions and plans for getting the most information out to them when they don't have access to the internet?
Other concerns included the dangerous Delta variant sweeping the state, answered by Dr. Jose Romero.
It is the young, healthy individual that is now winding up in the hospital or dying from this disease.
And the theory that the vaccine affects fertility. Dr. William Greenfield with UAMS says that's a myth.
There is no bearing on the impact of fertility in men or women.
But while those who showed up walked away with new information, so did the governor, who vowed to take the words of the community to heart.
We're going to have to increase our supply of printed material that answers these questions
in order to protect his state. Now, we don't yet know the locations or dates of the other COVID community conversations, but Governor Hutchinson said more is to come. His goal is to have at least half the state vaccinated by the end of this month. Reporting in Cabot, I'm Katrin Asaf. Back to you.
All right, Katrin, thank you. And new COVID